In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up bleed in your document for print. If you're sending artwork to a professional printer, bleed is essential. It's the small margin of artwork that extends beyond the final trim edge so you don't end up with thin white lines after cutting. Most printers expect 3mm or 0.125 inches of bleed, and that's what we'll use here. Start by opening your document and going to File, then Document Setup. In the bleed fields, enter your values 3mm or 0.125 in. You can apply the same value to all sides to keep things consistent. If your document uses inches, switch the units if you need to, but the key is that the numbers match the standard. When you're done, click OK. You should now see thin red guides around the edge of your artboard. Those are your visual targets for bleed. Next, extend your artwork to the bleed area. Any background colors, photos, or patterns that touch the edge of the page should reach all the way out to those red guides. Think of the red line as the minimum boundary your edge-to-edge elements must cross. Keep important content like text, logos, and key graphics inside the safe area and away from the trim edge so nothing gets cut off. You're not changing your final document size here. You're just ensuring that edge elements slightly overshoot so the finished piece trims clean. When you're ready to export, go to File and choose Save As or Use File Export and select the option for saving a print-ready PDF. Choose Adobe PDF, Print as the format. In the Save Adobe PDF dialog, find the Marks and Bleed section. Check the box labeled Use Document Bleed Settings so the values you entered are included in the PDF. If your print provider needs crop marks, you can enable them here as well. Crop marks show where the page will be trimmed and are often helpful for production. Once everything looks good, click Save PDF. Your exported PDF will now include the bleed area outside the trim line and crop marks if you turn them on. A quick way to confirm is to open the PDF and zoom in near the edges. You should see your background or images extending past the trim marks. That's exactly what ensures a professional edge-to-edge finish after cutting. And that's it. You've set up bleed, extended your artwork correctly, and exported a print-ready PDF with the proper